What if I told you? The universe is actively trying to kill us, and the scariest part is that it doesn't even notice we exist. No evil plan, no warning, no dramatic music, just silence and unstoppable forces moving through space. Let's start with the least terrifying thing on this list and slowly descend into pure cosmic nightmare. Number 10. Space junk. Death by garbage. When we think about pollution, we imagine oceans, landfills, plastic bags, but we've also turned Earth's orbit into a junk drawer. Right now, millions of man-made objects are circling our planet at speeds faster than a rifle bullet. Over 30,000 of them are big enough to destroy a satellite or a spacecraft with a single hit. And the worst part? The trash problem is getting worse every year. NASA has already been forced to change the path of the International Space Station dozens of times just to avoid collisions. You might think this isn't your problem. After all, you're not planning a vacation to space. But space junk doesn't always stay in space. Large pieces of rockets, satellites, and metal debris fall back to Earth. Some land in oceans, some land in empty deserts, and some land on people's homes. We are literally being haunted by our own leftovers. Number 9. Cosmic voids, the horror of nothing. Now let's move away from Earth and talk about nothing. Not empty like an abandoned house. Empty like there is absolutely nothing there. No stars, no planets, no light, no matter. These regions are called cosmic voids, and some of them are hundreds of millions of light years wide. If you entered one, there would be no landmarks, no destinations, no reference points, just endless darkness. One of the largest, the Bhuta's Void, is so massive that light would take 330 million years just to cross it. For comparison, our entire galaxy is only 100,000 light-years wide. It's not scary because something is hiding there. It's scary because nothing is. Number 8. Dead galaxies, the universe's graveyards. Some galaxies are already dying. They've used up the cold hydrogen gas needed to create new stars. No fuel, no rebirth. They glow red as they burn through the last energy they will ever have. Eventually, they go dark. Completely. And here's the unsettling truth. Every galaxy, including our own, will end this way. Physicists believe the universe itself may reach a final stage known as the Dark Era, a future where stars no longer exist, energy fades away, and the cosmos becomes cold, silent, and eternal. No explosions, no collapse, just darkness that never ends. Number 7. Planets, more nightmares than you can count. Scientists estimate there are hundreds of billions of planets in the Milky Way alone. Across the observable universe, more planets than grains of sand on Earth, and many of them are absolute nightmares. Let's start with one you already know, Jupiter. If you somehow fell into it, here's how long you'd last. Radiation, dead. Pressure, dead. Winds over 400 miles per hour, dead. Lightning bigger than continents, dead. Breathing, definitely dead. And Jupiter isn't even the worst. There are planets where it rains molten glass sideways, worlds covered entirely in lava, planets made of ice so cold, atoms barely move, ocean worlds with no land, only crushing depths, dark planets drifting through space with no star at all. The universe is very creative and very cruel. Number 6. Aliens. Fear of the unknown. Hollywood taught us to fear aliens long before science ever found them. In movies, they invade, they hunt, they experiment. But the real fear isn't that aliens might be hostile. It's that we have no idea what they might be. An alien could be bacteria. It could be something familiar. Or it could be so different from life on Earth that we wouldn't even recognize it as alive. Scientists agree. It's probably only a matter of time before we find extraterrestrial life. And when that happens, we won't be the ones deciding how the first meeting goes. Hopefully, they take one look at Earth's orbit and decide to stay very far away.